Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a party face mask. So let's get started. We require foam sheet, glitter sheet, a feather, string and a studs. So first we'll take this red foam and a mask and we'll trace it out like this. Now we'll cut it. It will look like that, same size. Again we'll take it yellow color and then we'll trace it again the same size as shown. Now we will take half centimeter more and just make a border. Same design but we'll make a border out of it. We'll make sure that it doesn't change the shape of the mask. Now we'll cut it like this. It will look like this. Now we'll take a red above that as I'm showing you, and now we'll glue it. So we'll put a proper glue all over the red mask. Make sure that you cover all the part of mask. Now keep above the yellow mask and it should be exactly how I'm showing. Slightly we can see the golden yellow one from the eye side and apply pressure. Now it is totally dried up. Now we'll take this stud and we'll make a eye border. It would look like a border to eyes as shown. We'll do the same thing both the side. Like this. After doing both the eyes, it will look like that. Now we'll take a feather and a cello tape and we'll keep a cello tape, and above that we will place our feather as you wish, as you like to keep it. Now we'll safely put it like this. We have to attach it like this. So now we'll turn the mask and we'll place the feather, and before placing we have to place little bit of Fevicol and then we'll keep it like that, the feather. Now take a string all in the same line and then twist it. So it will look like that. Now again put a glue as shown and place it. To secure it, I have put a cello tape. Now I have put a white tape because it will give a clean look. Now I have this elastic. You can get it from any cap, birthday cap and all. You can use that string too, and we'll do a knotting both the side. Like this. Now our mask is complete. It is very easy to make. Hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.